Hello cookbook friends! Today I want to show you two children's books that have something to do with cooking, including this one and this one I just got from the library, The Boy Who Wanted to Cook, and this one is What's Cooking at 10 Garden Street. These are not cookbooks, but they're books about children and cooking, so I thought they're super fun. So let's start with the one that I bought for myself, Felicita Sala, What's Cooking at 10 Garden Street. It's from Prestel publisher, or Prestel, I'm not sure how to say that. And it starts off colorfully. It was so cute. When I saw it at the bookstore, I had to grab it. Look how adorable this house is. Oops, my autofocus had trouble with that because I flipped the page so fast. Something smells good at 10 Garden Street. Delicious, actually. Now, I can't read you the whole book because that is a copyright violation, but I wanted to show you some of the pages. So here, Pilar is blending tomatoes in a big pot, and the ingredients, and oh, that is a recipe. Okay, so maybe it is kind of a cookbook. There's a recipe for little trees, sesame, soy, broccoli, and Mr. Ping is the one that's making a stir fry. And then across the hall, Maria is mashing avocados with a fork, and here's a guacamole recipe. I love this book so much. So it is a cookbook. I'm almost tearing up. This is so cool. Upstairs, Senora Flores is squeezing lime juice into a pot of beans. Hey, I just made beans the other night, and I didn't put lime juice in them, and I should have. And it's showing illustrations of all the things you need to make the recipe. This is so cool. And it says how many it serves, 4 to 6. Mr. Melville thinks about the best angle to cut into his fish. Mr. Melville, get it? That's cute. Sol Munier is his recipe. Signora Lella is making her famous sauce. She must be Italian. Okay, I can't show you the whole book, so I'm going to skip. But here's an Indian recipe by Mr. Singh. Mini quiches from Mrs. Green Pea. Okay, you have to see her. She's too cute. This book is amazing. I am going to buy this for so many of my nieces and nephews. Meatballs recipe. A Miss Ishida is reaching for a bottle of mirin. So a Japanese recipe for chicken and egg rice. Here's a baba ganoush recipe, and I currently have an eggplant in the house, so I might have to cook this. Green rice. Ooh, yum. They make it look so easy to learn all these. These illustrations are incredible. Peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. We finally have a dessert recipe. This one is by Jeremiah. And then Jemima and Rosie are making banana and blueberry bread. And Matilda is dreaming about summer, and she's making a strawberry crumble, etc., etc. I'm going to end it here. And the whole neighborhood is feasting together at the end. Spoiler alert. That is awesome. That is Felicita Sala, What's Cooking at 10 Garden Street. I'm going to go look up and see what other books they have done. So next up we have The Boy Who Wanted to Cook by Gloria Whelan, illustrated by Steve Adams. The cover's glossy. Tales of the World from Sleeping Bear Press in France. Came out in 2012, I believe. Whoops. Have to be careful because it's a library book and the pages are stuck together, which make me think somebody cooked out of it maybe. The Boy Who Wanted to Cook. Here's Paris, France. Beautiful home. In the south of France, near the river Tarn, is the little restaurant La Bonne Vache. The Good Cow takes its name from its famous boeuf à la mode, a delicious beef stew. And in the kitchen of the restaurant is 10-year-old Pierre. Pierre's father, Monsieur Valcourt, is chef and patron of the restaurant and says, Pierre, go play with your friends. And Pierre's mother says, hey, go fishing. She bakes the pastries for the restaurant, but Pierre wants to cook and longs to be a great chef like his father, etc. So he is having some adventures. Can't show you the whole book. His mother is looking for wild strawberries to make her famous gâteau aux fraises. And so Pierre is probably going to go look for them, apparently. Here's a little village scene. I love these illustrations. It's a little dark, but that's okay. And, oh, he's so cute. He's finding the strawberries. Does he get to cook? Let's find out. Oh, he's fishing for ingredients. His mother did tell him to go fishing. He's meeting, oh, he's getting some mushrooms. Here's the inside of the restaurant. He's watching the stew and helping make the stew. So if you have a kid who's about 5 to 8, they'll probably enjoy this book. Some of it is funny. I probably wouldn't read this to a 3-year-old because there's too many words on the page, and a 9-year-old would find this maybe a little babyish unless they're really into cooking. And, afterward. And a glossary of terms. I'm assuming it's a happy ending. I did not read the ending. So I hope you enjoyed this quick look through of 2 cooking related books. Be sure to watch other Cookbook Divas videos for cookbooks for grown-ups. We post our videos to YouTube. You can find cookbook news on our blog, cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast where we talk about cookbooks. And we, of course, post cookbook news to Instagram and Facebook so that we can find you on your favorite social media platforms. Be sure to give us a like and comment something nice if you enjoyed our videos. And that way the social media gods will show you more of our posts. Bye!